Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another website like you see with me here, Zaarly. And Zaarly, like you know, is an online marketplace that connects consumers with local service providers. It aims to make it easier for people to find and hire trusted service professional in their area. And to get to this website, simply head on over to Zaarly or Zaarly.com in Google or any other browser that you prefer. And this is the results I got after my search. We have also the app on Google Play and other websites or similar websites like Pinterest and others. So we need the official site, that means the first one. And like you see with me here, this is the home page that you can find the place that you log in and some resources, products, solutions. We will see all this later after I show you how to get started with the free trial or how to log in. So to log in and create accounts in Crunchbase or Zaarly, you need just to go over here and click on login and just put your email address, password, and login, or this is other choices over here to log in it. To create an account on Crunchbase, you need to register from here and click on register. Then you will choose the way that you want to create account by it, or just full the information right here. Okay, now I will show you how to start with free trial. You need to go over here and click, and then choose the plan that you want and be like a solution for you. We have 3 plans here: the starter, the pro, and the enterprise, like you see here with the different prices. But you have a limited time to start with free trial. Okay, this is the different services that the plan is present to you. Like example, in the plan starter with $29 per month, you will find the services over here, and this is different from this, and this too is different from this two over here. Now to start with this free trial, you need to, like I said before, choose the plan and click on start or try starter free, or try pro free, or talk to sell. Okay, let's try with first one, starter. So this is the following information that we need to enter to start with Crunchbase or Zaarly. We need to enter our email address over here, then choose a password, and then you need to choose the payment method. Do you want to pay by Google Pay or you want to pay by PayPal? Then you will okay, let's just like example, I will not create an account now. Okay, I'll just show you how to do that and the different information that you need to enter to start with free trial. You need to write the full name here, and credit card number. You will find that front of your credit card is contained with 14 numbers, and then the experiment month, you will also find it front of the card and the experiment year. Then the CVC code, you will find it behind the card, the last 3 numbers. Then the country, you need just to select it from here. There is a lot of countries here. Of course, you will find your country, then the province or the states, and the postal code or the zip code. Okay, and this is how to pay today, because we try with the free trial, excuse me, we will pay just $0, but after trial you need to pay $348,000 per month or per year. That means $29,000 per month in the year. This will be the total after this trial. You have just 1 day free trial, and after that you will pay it. After you enter all this information over here, you need to click on start trial, and you will be able to use this website easily and free for today. So now let's come back to see the different services and key features for this website and talk you a little about it and what is present to you. So we have, we come back to the home page, and like you see with me here, the first thing we see on the website is the pricing, and this website has or have the transparent pricing. The Zaarly promotes transparency and pricing by providing users with upfront cost estimates for services. This helps users understand the approximate cost of the service they require before hiring a professional. And this is what I meant with the pricing, and it's different plans, and you can choose the plan that it's be a solution for you and you looking for. So here you'll find the resources, the different resources here, and we have also the supports, like all the websites. We find the customer support, and Zaarly also offers customer support to assist users throughout the process, whether it's answering inquiries, resolving issue, or providing guidance. Their customer support team aims to ensure a positive user experience. And to create a profile, after you create an account and all that, and the payments method and everything, you need just to go over here to create an account, and you will get to the present page to edit or change or just make your profile in Crunchbase or Zaarly. And let me tell you something very important to note, that the specific services, coverage areas, and features offered by Zaarly may vary depending on the location and availability in a particular market. Users can visit Zaarly's website or download their mobile app for more information on the services available in their area. And you will find the products over here: the Crunchbase Pro, Crunchbase Enterprise, Chrome extension. You need just to click whatever you want, and you will get the present page and know more information about the products. And also the solution is the same thing, and the advanced too. And we have here some search bar. You can just write what you want to search on the website, and you will find all the information that you're looking for. So this is our website and our video today. If you like it, please subscribe for more and follow me for seeing more video like this. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and next websites.